How to fix TikTok search bar not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your TikTok when search bar is not showing. So, let me show you an example. First of all, let us open our TikTok app, and on the top right corner of the screen you can see the little search icon. So, this is the TikTok search bar right over here, and in some cases, sometimes when you try to search for something, the search bar will simply not show up and it won't work. So there may be few different reasons as to why this problem may be occurring. The first one is your internet connection. So if you are on your Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, and if you are on your mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi, and then try relaunching your TikTok app, and then try opening the search bar. And if your problem is still there, go to your Play Store or App Store. Now in the search bar, type in TikTok. After that, check whether your app is up to date or not. So as you can see, mine currently says update, meaning my app is not up to date. So this may be what is causing the problem. So simply tap on update and then wait for the TikTok app to be updated to the latest version. And now try loading your search bar, and if it works, that's great. But if it still doesn't work, there is one final way as to how you can solve the problem. That is by simply going to your settings, and now scroll down and then go to apps. Now scroll down and then search for TikTok. Now again scroll down and then go to storage. Here you'll have to try clearing both your cache as well as the entire data of your TikTok app. And now once you've done that, try opening TikTok app once again and then log into your TikTok account. And once you've done that, your problem will surely be fixed. So that is basically how you fix TikTok search bar not showing or loading. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.